Hey, welcome back. We're going to try to demonstrate this kind of in a visual sense rather than just in terms of models. So on the screen and diagrams and stuff. So let's say we've got the sun coming from this side over here, and we've got the Earth. And you can see here that at any given point, only 50% of the Earth is going to be illuminated at any given point here. Now, right now I've got the Earth set up so it's straight up and down, but in reality, the Earth is tilted at a 23.5 degree angle off axis here. So you can see kind of I'm trying to illustrate that tilt here. And the Earth rotates from west to east at about 15 degrees in an hour. So if you go 15 degrees for 24 hours, it's 360 degrees of a circle. So you can see here that half of the Earth is always going to be bathed in sunlight, half is going to be in darkness. And as a certain area of the Earth enters daylight, that's going to be its dawn. And as a certain area leaves its daylight, that's going to be its sunset. Okay. Now for you, you might be a little bit reversed on screen here from what I'm seeing live, but that is the basic idea. Now a lot of times we're going to present this as looking down at the Earth from above the Earth's North Pole here. So let's say we're looking down above the Earth's North Pole, and let me get this oriented a little bit better. And let's see, there we go. And so now if we're looking down above the Earth's North Pole, you can kind of see this rotation. Now again, it might look a little bit backwards to you, but it's rotating west to east at a rate of 15 degrees every hour. If I'm 180 degrees separated, one side of Earth is going to be entering the nighttime, the other side of Earth is going to be entering dawn and daylight. So that's the idea we want to be looking at from this perspective. If I'm right over here, this is going to be noon for a person, they're going to be in sunlight. If I'm over here, this is going to be midnight for this person. And as I continue to rotate towards dawn, this will be midnight, about 3 a.m., about 6 a.m., and so on. So that's the basic idea I want you to look at in terms of the Earth's rotation. There will be some simulations online.